Everybody, it's Amanda. Today we're going to be discussing constants, otherwise known as const inside C++. Const is a keyword inside of C++. If you know what consts are or constants are, then this video is not going to be beneficial for you, and I'm not going to give you a rundown of the program. However, if you don't know what they are, or you're unsure of what they are, I encourage you to watch this video. So again, const is a keyword inside of C++. Something for you to look up. It is otherwise known as a constant. And when you declare const, you start with the keyword const. However, usually when we declare a data type, it starts with the data type and then a variable. However, if you want to create a constant variable, then you would need to add const, which is the keyword, followed by the data type. And then in this case, we'll use an integer. And then I'll name it num and assign it 10. So now that we have our const, let's go ahead and display it so we can show what's in memory. So I'm displaying my variable followed by my indel just because it's faster for me. As I've said in my videos before, I'm going to go ahead and run the program as it displays. You can see 10 here. Some people get confused here, so they think that they can't change this variable. They think I'm going to get a warning that says, oh no, you can't change this. I know I'm not going to get a warning, and it's going to allow me to change it, as you can see. That's because it's a constant. So by declaring it constant allows me to not change it this way. So I have my num variable, and now if I try to assign it 13, as you can see, I'm going to get squiggly lines, and it's not going to allow me to assign the number. And if I go to run the program now, I would get an error saying that, no, you can't change the variable value of num, which is exactly correct. And that's exactly what this const does for me. It allows me to make sure that I'm not allowed to reassign the variable to something else again in the program. However, with that said, this is a local variable still. You do not want to declare any variables above main. This is going to be called your global variables. You do not want to declare a variable above your main again. That's just for best practice right now. I'm not going to get into that, but it was showing you another example. Let's go jump right in. So if I was going to change this to integer num, and then did a reassignment, what do you think it's going to display? It's going to display 13. As you can see, it displays 13. As always, I gave some terms to look up and some notes from the video. Again, if you haven't looked how to name variables correctly inside of C++, what a constant is and the keyword const, the difference between a constant variable and a variable, and knowing when to use each of them. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like it. If I missed something, please let me know. As always, thanks for your time. I hope everybody has a great day.